You got any money? Because I really need something. My mum really needs something.
No, sorry.
Hello?
You have one missed call.
Who is this?
Your worst nightmare.
Oh my god.
Who's that?
I don't know, but they said I have one missed call.
Oh my god!
Have you got any money? I need to ring my mom. 60p. No, sorry. Hello?
You have one missed call.
What the hell? Who's this?
Your worst nightmare.
I got one missed call! My worst nightmare!